Alright, good people of YouTube. I have done a lot of research and looked for a way to find out how to do this. However, I am not able to find a video, so that is specifically for the BOSE Q35 model. So here it goes. I basically figured this out. I'm just going to be posting this video out there so that it would be helpful to some of you folks out there. So this is the headband, replacement headband that you can buy online. My wife turned the TV on, that's great, courtesy. Looks like I spilled something on this anyway, not too important. So you order this and it is the same as the headband replacement cushion. You can search on eBay for the AE2 model, also the QC35. So this is not as easy as it is shown for the video for the QC25. So as you guys can see, there are about 12 here cables that are soldered onto the chipboard there, the main board there, of the left ear cup. So this is the left ear cup. Now opening this is really simple. I can do another video and show how to open this. You peel this cushion and then undo the 3 screws in there, or 2 couple screws in there. On the left, actually, it's only a couple screws. But I figured out that for the QC35 model, it is not required to remove the cushion at all. So I would put the cushion back in there, as you can see. So now you are gonna need one of these to be able to see in detail. I have the 4x zoom optimizer here, and then using that you can meticulously pick each saw cable here on the coming from the right ear cup. As you can see, there are 12 wires here. Now on here, I made this envelope from my wife's. She had ordered a book or something, and I'm using this envelope as a workspace, and I took my notes here. So there's teal and gray silver cable. There's a red and copper. There's a teal and red, white, green, copper, and a bare gray silver. And then the bottom row, if we hold the if you look at it like this, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then here goes the main red, and then the main black one goes over here, and then there is a red and black. This is one of the fine ones. Most of these cables are really fine cables, and then finally these last 3 on the bottom row are the green and copper, purple and teal. So these are 12 very fine cables that we unsoldered so that we can work on this headphone. Now, in order of unsoldering, I started from top left. So if I number the top left, number 1, so we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we jumped over here to the bottom left and unsoldered the teal one, then this one, then this one, then this one, and then finally the 2, the gray and the red main cables. I'm using a digital Hako soldering unit. It's you're gonna need at least 400. I was successful using my needle tip about 440 Fahrenheit, I think. Is that Celsius? It's Celsius, pardon me. Yeah, it's about 440 Celsius. I was successful because you have a needle tip like this. So this is a very fine. Trying to get the camera to focus on there. A very fine soldering tip. Also, I used to do LEDs with this. So in order to get the tip of this really hot and be able to easily unsolder the connections here, you're going to need that kind of temperature. So 440, 450, and be very careful. Try to be quick and precise. Do not connect your tip of your solder on the soldering joints too long, otherwise you would damage the electronic board there. Well, folks, the rest is easy. So I actually did the work here and unsoldered all of these, and then thought that this video could be helpful for someone else who's dealing with this kind of problem. What happened is my dog chewed on my headphones basically, so I'm left with this skeleton here. I already ordered the ear cup, so that was very easy replacement. There's videos on that, how easy it is, but there's nothing on how to do this on a QC35. So now all we got to do is just, now that we have the bare wire and the skeleton of the headband, we're just basically going to push this thing through, and it should be really simple from there on. So we're just going to push it all the way, and then it will be installed. So I'm going to stop the video right now. I hope this is helpful for someone out there. And then of course the difficult part is going to be soldering back the wires back on the main board here. But this is what it entails to fix the QC35 headband cushion. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.